This is a piece of my Z31. This is sound deadening, dry ice. $30. Which one's better? Let's turn it up to 11. It only goes to 7. So the rubber starts to heat up. It smells so interesting. There you go. Once you get like a good blast of heat on it, look at that. With the heat gun, you definitely need to give it some time to soak up the heat, and then that rubber becomes pretty malleable and it just knocks right off. Definitely would say that heat is the clear winner so far, considering we only tested that one. The new Challenger! So we're gonna put it on top of here. Once it's cold, it just kind of wants to come off. Like there, it got stuck because it wasn't cold enough, I think. I don't know, it seems like the dry ice isn't doing anything. It seems like it takes longer to get cold enough to pull it off than it does for the heat gun to get hot enough for it to cool off. So we're gonna leave that there and then hit the other side of the heat gun. Round 2. Yeah. Yeah, and if you had another player there holding the heat gun while you were scraping it off, it would go a lot faster. Let's see how the ice is doing. It's starting to flake off. Ooh, I don't know. That actually seems to have become harder to take off. Definitely. And there you have it. With the power of very little experimentation, we have a complete answer and full picture and understanding of everything. Just kidding. But at least for this test, the heat one. So we're going to use heat to do up some plans for the dry ice. Stay tuned for that in the future.